student or scholar, and welcome back once again online school. Dear student, I hope you are well at home. Try to see in the blackboard. Here is this word in the passage. Have a look, please. Nadim and Naim are two brothers. Naim is younger than Nadim. Their father, who works as a teacher, is a simple man. Both Nadim and Naim read in the same class. Dear student, did you know what types of the word of the passage? You see the various types of the simple word, the passage, such as and, then, who, else, both. Dear student, did you know you see the passage in the word, some word, underlined word? Did you know what types of the word? You guess it, the various types of the word, adding or linking the sentences. Suppose Nadim, Naim are two brothers. Here is this sentence has link in the end. Did you know what types of the word? You guess it, the word, it, link or linking word. Dear student, let's go to our classes, the linking word. Dear student, you know that as a linking word is a word that links or connected the sentence or various types of this word of the sentences, position of sentences. So, our texas is the linking words. You know that in the previous unit we have discussed the various types of the participle, infinitive, and gerund. Now, I will be focused on the linking word. Dear student, have a look, please. I also discussed the once again the linking word. You know that the linking word is a word that connected the sentence, position of sentence, and connected the various types of the word of the sentences. So various types of these linking word, such as that, that is the use or position on a sentence as a linking word. So we will be able to try to know what is the that is the position of the sentence. Such as I am glad that you passed. Have a look, please. That is used as the sentence have the link I am glad and you have passed. This is the link of that. Have a look, please, once again. Suppose he knows that he knows that you will come again. Have a look, please. Here is this word that connected or linked the you will come again and he knows that. So we will be able to know the a linking word, that is a linking word who is the position of the sentence, middle or first row, position of the sentences, and this link of the various types of the words on the sentences. Dear student, have a look please. A linking word is who as a uses with that. Suppose who in the structure or the position of the sentences. I suppose I know that. I know that I know the man who came here. Who came here. Have a look please. Who is the position of the sentences, which is the link to the come here and I know the man. This is the linking word as a who. Such as which is a position. Suppose this is the book, this is the book. This is the book which is now out of print. Out of print. Have a look please. Which is the stand or position of the sentences? This is the book, this is the books, which is link or linking word is the now out of print. Link out of print. Try to do another what? I do not know. What? Suppose what is the position? I do not know. I do not know what they want. Dear student, have a look please 1 second. Here is this what position of the sentences middle row. It is this linking they want and another link the I do not know. This is the what. So we call this process is the what is the linking what. You know that various type of the linking word, various position of the linking word and the uses of the various linking words, how, where, when, where. Dear student, have a look at the position of the various type of the linking word, how, where, when, why. Suppose he wanted to know how I would go, and another linking word where it is this discusses the place he wanted to know where I would go, and another linking word when it is the position of this time. I shall start for the school. I said he wanted to know when I would go, and another linking word while this is the position of this time or place, etc. You should not run in the field while it rains or rain. Dear student, have a look please. I also be discussing various type of the linking word, what, that, who, which, whom, and this why. Now we will be trying to the another linking word before and after. You know that before as the position of the sentences in this beginning, and this after linking word, it is the position of the sentences and this is the end of the sentence. Such as before as a position, they had reached reach home before the rain started. Dear student, have a look. Before, you know that before is the linking word, which is the position of the sentences as a link. The rain started, and another link as they had reached home. Now try to do another example after. After as a linking word, you know that after as a linking word, which is the position of the sentence. Suppose we return home, we return home after the sun had set. Have a look please. Here is this word after. It is the position of this linking word as a sentence. Position of this linking after the we return home and the sun had set. It is connected. The sun had set and another connected to the return home. It is the position of this before of the sentences. Have a look please. Try to the another example. Here are another linking word as and uses because. As is the linking word. As, suppose as he was ill. As he was ill. He did not attend the school. He didn't attend the school. Dear student, this linking word as, it is the position of the sentence of the beginning of the sentences. As linking word, position of the beginning of sentences. He was ill. This is the condition, and he did not attend the school. This sentence has condition. He was ill. He was ill. This condition as is the uses of this the beginning of the sentences. Now we will be able to try to able the another linking word as the because. Because you look that as a because is the linking word, which is the adding of the sentences. This is the causes, call or source of the causes of this sentence and use of this because. Suppose he did not attend the school. He did not attend the school because the sun had set. The sun had set. Dear student, you know that because is the another linking word which is this position of the sentence and mention of the whole sentence is this causes. This sentences he did not attend the school. This is types describes the a person who did not attend the school and the sun had set because the sun had set. This is the linking word of this because this is the stand of the or position of the sentences of the causes. Dear student, have a look please. You know that various types of these linking words and this rules is this the various types or various types of the rules and position of this type. So we also be able the sum of linking words to description or the details of your note to the grammar classes. Try to the another in order to. In order to. You know that in order to is the linking word. That is position maybe beginning of a sentence and this it is the details of this commanded, extent of the commanded. Such as in order to learn English, you have to practice. For you have to practice the four skill. Have a look please. In order to is the position, this types of the position, this period of this position, in order to as the beginning of sentence is the causes of the big same as the big word. Learn English, you have to practice for skill. So we can call this in order to it is this linking word. It is this linking word. Dear student, I also be discussing the various types of the linking words. Now, I will be focused on this both and. Here is this linking word, both and. Did you know what is the position as a linking word both and? Suppose both and the position of this linking word as a position of the linking word, which is this describe the define the two sentence or two subjects or a person, a two quality of the sentences, such as both Rohim and Karim are industrious. Have a look please. Both is the position both and is as a linking word. Is this describe Rohim and Kurim are two person or qualifying. So both uses the two person and this position of these two persons and both and it is this or describe the qualified of these two persons. So you have also be able. I know that you have also be able to know the various type of the linking word. Now here is this end of the linking word or. We will try to the example or. Or you know that or is a linking word which is this extent of the sentence. Suppose read or you will fail. Dear student, here is this linking word or describe read and this connected you will fail. So or is just another linking word. Now we will be try to the last the unknown the linking word which is known to the parts the success. As a linking word as maybe if whether or unless or until or till and another either or neither nor. This is the position of negative. And whoever and another since as soon as maybe as soon as so long but for and but for or as well as the end of the as well as. Dear student, please write in the in your practice papers as this another types of the who is the written on me to the boarded or the various type of the linking words or if whether since as soon as unless until till so long either or but for there neither nor whoever as well as. I hope you will be able to do our whole classes of the linking words. So you will be able to be the teach of the users, and then you also be able to the various type of the preposition linking word as the today classes. And I hope you are the also trying practice or more and more practice of your homeworks. Now this is our whole classes, and I discussed the types of the added the types of the these classes to our classes. I also be able to do the discussion of the linking word. As a linking word is the word that use of the sentences, adding sentences and are connected or the two and more words or sentences. So that's all our classes. I hope you are also fine at home. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.